Good afternoon, student. Today I am discussing about 10th class our studies. Today our topic is the making of Indian Constitution. What is the meaning of the Constitution? Constitution is a book. It's refer about the principle and procedure how to rule of India. That is the Constitution. Who wrote the Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was written by Constitution. The Constitution of India was prepared, adopted by the Constitution Assembly. Adopted by the Constitution Assembly. Which year India was Constitution Assembly? 1949. Is the most important. Which year Indian Constitution was adopted? 1949. This was this was the constitution of the long struggle of the India. Long struggle. How many years to wrote the constitution? 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. So long struggle, long fighting to complete the constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Indian people for freedom from British colonial rule. So before the independence, our country was ruled by Britisher nearly 200. That's why India people decided to struggle for freedom. Britishers decided to give the freedom to the country. After that, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar considered to complete the constitution. Constitution was the copy from other country. Yes, the British government decided to give freedom the people of India. So British government decided to give the freedom of people. Which year the Indian get freedom? 1947. August 15. This was the most important date in history. New constitution was needed through which people of the Indian constitution rule the merely. So new constitution was came into force 1950 January 26th. So from this year we celebrated as Republic Day. Why did we celebrate Republic Day? Indian Constitution was came into force on 26th January 1950. From that day we celebrated as Republic Day.